had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
There is the lamb does what the lamb can. The lamb with Mary goes. How to go with Mary, the lamb knows.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school.
There is the lamb did what the lamb can.
The lamb with Mary went,
the lamb with Mary never frets.
and so the teacher sent it out, sent it out, sent it out. And so the teacher sent it out, but still it lingered near. It stood and waited round about, round about, round about. It stood and waited round about till Mary did appear.
Where is the lamb? Did the lamb do what the lamb can?
The lamb with Mary should be to go with Mary the lamb needs. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The little children cried.
Because Mary loves the lamb, loves the lamb, loves the lamb. That's why the lamb loves Mary so. The teacher sighed. Where is our dear Mary? Did Mary on the playground the lamb see? Mary